Introducing the Reelpower model HDCTL4, a powerful precision-engineered cut-to-length system built for demanding industrial applications. Designed to handle material up to 2 inches in diameter, this unit features a 3-horsepower AC variable speed puller drive, delivering smooth, consistent performance up to 90 feet per minute. A rugged 21-inch puller head with pneumatic operation ensures secure material handling, while adjustable guide rollers and custom guides maintain accuracy across a wide range of materials. The system is fully enclosed with clear plexiglass guarding on all 4 sides, providing both enhanced operator safety and quick, convenient access for maintenance and setup. At the operator level, the integrated PLC and HMI touchscreen provide complete control, from programmable lengths and batch counts to real-time monitoring of footage and production status, all with accuracy within plus or minus 0.5%. The automatic stop-to-length system works seamlessly with a pneumatically actuated chop saw, featuring variable speed control and guided cutting for clean, reliable results every time. An integrated auto-indexing zip tie system applies ties before and after each cut, improving downstream handling and efficiency. Mounted on a heavy-duty mobile frame, the HDCTL4 delivers flexibility, safety, and performance on the factory floor. The Reelpower HDCTL4, precision cutting for engineered productivity.